La-boo-boo! Where rhymes come to life.
Hi there, little explorer. Are you ready to count with me? Let's go from 1 to 10.
One big sun up in the sky, waving down as we walk by. Two birds chirping in a tree, singing sweetly just for me. Three red apples, round and bright, crunchy snacks, take a bite. Pearl green frogs that leap so high, jumping up into the sky. Five balloons of every hue, floating up red, green, and blue. Six little ducks go quack, 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 swimming forward, not turning back. Seven stars that shine at night, glowing soft with silver light. Eight fish swimming in a line, blowing bubbles, doing fine. Nine cupcakes on a party tray, one gets eaten right away. 10 fingers waving up so high, clap them now and say goodbye. We counted all from 1 to 10. Let's do it once and then again. Clap your hands and shout, yay! Counting's fun, especially with you.
Subscribe to La-boo-boo-boo.